This next exercise is a little bit more of a challenge. It requires a lot of concentration and a lot of coordination of the muscles. So just like the pelvic lift, we're going to start with the pressure in the abdominals, ribs coming down. The legs are going to come up one at a time with the knees pointing to the outside of the body. Good. And we want to try to keep the knees pointing directly to the ceiling. And without using force of our spine in our back, in our neck, or our arms, Tyler's going to lift his knees straight up to the ceiling. So I don't want to see a lot of motion going toward the head, mostly to the ceiling. Doesn't have to be a big movement. It's a very small movement. You're going to feel it more than you're going to see it. And you're going to hold that motion for about 3 to 4 seconds, and then just relax it back down. The knees come down. Good. One more time. Try to go up more. Good. Very good. It's not easy, and this exercise is really going to challenge your ability to keep those ribs down. And relax. Good. One leg down at a time. And relax.